MetalWorks Wings is a unique three-dimensional aluminum cloud that can be installed below an existing ceiling or from an exposed structure area. Each cloud has a center spine with angled metal panels extending from it at a slight angle, 3 degrees or optional 10 degrees. The total size is 8 foot by 10 foot. The panels and spine are available in standard and custom colors, which can be mixed and matched to create exciting visuals. For an acoustical solution, try our perforated wings panels. In this video demonstration, we'll show you how to install one full 8 foot by 10 foot MetalWorks Wings cloud. We'll follow the method outlined in the MetalWorks Wings installation instructions, which can be found on our website at armstrong.com/wings. When preparing to install, an inventory of the hardware should be taken to assure that all materials required for the installation are on site. Also, to prevent unnecessary damage to the panels, leave them in their protective cartons until needed. To start the installation, determine the location for the spine and lay out the drop points for 3 upper brackets. Plumb these locations to the building structure and carefully mark the location for the fasteners. Attach the upper brackets to the building structure using whatever means necessary for the material you are attaching to. Fully insert a length of thin wall EMT into the socket of each bracket and secure with 2 self-drilling screws. Using a tubing cutter or a reciprocating saw, carefully cut the EMT at an elevation 2 inches higher than the required finish height of the spine. Attach 6 fasteners to the building structure to receive the upper end of the splay wire restraint cables. Make sure that the cable path provides at least 6 inches of clearance from all obstructions overhead. Extend 2 cables from the lower end of each EMT post. The cables at the end post should be perpendicular to the length of the spine and not more than 45 degrees from horizontal. Place the cables located at the center post along the length of the spine. Slide the lower brackets into the spine and place in the approximate locations where they will match up with the EMT. Do not tighten the set screws at this time. Bore sprinkler or light fixture holes through the spine, working from the back side. You can only have up to 4 1 3/8 inch holes located not less than 2 feet apart. Touch up exposed metal areas prior to installation. At this point, if you wish to install a higher panel angle, use the angle adjuster provided in the kit. Place the angle adjuster inside the spine and press into place on the flange located at the lower outside edge of the extrusion. Raise the spine into position and insert the EMT post into the lower brackets. Secure each with 2 self-drilling screws. Slide the spine onto the lower brackets to align with the construction plan. Securely tighten the installed set screws. Install the splay wire cables by inserting the plain end up through the holes provided in the lower bracket. Slide the end of the cable through the larger of the 2 openings located on the end of the quick lock cable adjuster. Loop the cable through the structure anchor and then back through the other end of the adjuster. Securely tighten the cables by pulling on the free end. Make sure the spine remains level in both directions as the cables are secured. When all 6 cables are installed, they must not be used to support any load other than the wing assembly. Install the first field panel by inserting the notched end into the spine. Raise the outer end of the panel to allow the notch to engage the rib at the top and at the back of the panel channel. Align the plain edge of the panel with the end of the spine. Lower the outer end of the panel to lock it in place. Install a panel alignment bracket near the outer edge of each panel-to-panel joint. Engage the bracket over the top edge of the panels to secure the connection. Each panel-to-panel joint must have an alignment clip installed. Complete the assembly by installing a plastic cap at each end of the spine. Align the pegs on the cap with the channels formed in the spine extrusion and press into place. Make sure the panels are aligned properly, then check and correct spine alignment by adjusting the splay wires as necessary. Thank you for watching the MetalWorks Wings installation video. Visit armstrong.com/wings to view the data page, installation instructions, and other product details.